Start.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good afternoon, students. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. How are you?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, dear students.
I am
Everybody,
fine, ma'am.
mute your mic, everybody.
Okay, ma'am.
I'll take 10 minutes to complete this chapter. After that, we will discuss back exercise. Only then you can unmute yourself. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Once again, very good morning. Yes,
Good morning, ma'am.
students. Aradhya, Maya, unmute your mic.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Very good afternoon. Yes. Once again, very good afternoon, dear students. Students, day before yesterday, we have started our chapter number 2, India, Northern Mountains. And in this chapter, we have studied about the 3 mountain ranges. These 3 mountain ranges are Greater Himalayas, or you can say Himadri. Himadri is another name for Greater Himalayas. And the second one is the Lesser Himalayas. And Himachal is another name for Lesser Himalayas. And third one is the Lower Himalayas, or you can say Shivalik range. Okay. Then we have studied about the importance of northern mountains. Yesterday we have learned about the lifestyle of people living in states and union territories in the northern mountains. Students, today we will start with the northeastern states. Okay. First of all, let me show you the northeastern states in northern mountains. Dear students, these states are the northeastern states in northern mountains. And the names of these states are, first is the states in this region. Region means area. The states in this region are Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, and Tripura. And these states are called the Seven Sisters. I have explained you earlier also. The states in the Seven Sisters are Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, and Tripura. First of all, let's study about Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh is the largest state among the Seven Sisters, and its capital city is Itanagar, which is the capital of Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar, and it is the largest state in Seven Sisters. Whose mic is on? Khushi, mute your mic. Khushi,
खुशी बोल
मैंने पढ़ा ही नहीं
mute your mic.
मैं अभी आई हूँ
माइक ऑन तो कर ले फिर
मैं नहीं करती
Mute yourself. Khushi, click on the mic button.
म्यूट कर रही मैडम म्यूट कर दे माइक माइक ऑन हो रहा माइक बंद कर दे बेवकूफ सुनती नहीं
Yes. Populated means population is there. Thickly means large population, and sparsely means yes, but its population is very most of them are hunters and farmers. Who are hunters? The person who hunt animals for their interest. Okay. And farmers who do grow crops. The main crops grown are rice, maize, millet, tobacco, and oilseeds, which are the main crops grown in Arunachal Pradesh. Rice, millets, tobacco, and oilseeds. Again, I am going to repeat. Arunachal Pradesh is the largest state among the seven sisters. The seven sisters are Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, and Tripura. Among these, Arunachal Pradesh is the largest state, and its capital city is Itanagar. Okay. Some of the people live in stilt houses. Stilt means the houses which are built on log of wood. And the main crops grown in Arunachal Pradesh are rice, maize, millets, tobacco, and oilseeds. Next state in the north is eastern state is Assam. Silk. It is very famous. It is very popular state for tea and silk. It has large tea plantations. In Assam, there are big plants of tea. Large areas are uh, in Assam. There are large areas where tea plantation is done. Dispur is its capital city, which is the capital of Assam, Dispur, and the main language spoken in Assam is Assamese. Okay, Assam is very famous for tea and silk. It has very large tea plantation. Tea plantation is done on very large areas in Assam, and Dispur is its capital city, and the main language is Assamese. Next is Meghalaya. Meghalaya means abode of clouds. Meghalaya means abode of clouds. Abode means home of clouds. Mosinram near Cherrapunji gets the heaviest rainfall in the world. Here, the place Mosinram, which is near the Cherrapunji, gets maximum rainfall in the world. Shillong is the capital of Meghalaya. Which is the capital of Meghalaya? Shillong. And most of the people belong to Garo, Khasi, and Jaintia tribes. Here, most of the people they belong to which tribes? Garo, Khasi, and Jaintia. These are the main tribes in Meghalaya. Most of the people are farmers and they grow rice, maize, potatoes, sugarcane, jute, and fruits. These are the main crops grown in Meghalaya. Next, fourth state among the seven sisters is Nagaland. Nagaland has steep hills and the slopes are covered with thick forest. Dear students, slopes means slanting areas of hills. Like these are hills and these are the slanting, sloping areas. Yes, the slopes are covered with thick forest, mean dense forest, especially bamboo. Bamboo is a kind of wood, is a kind of woody grass, you can see. The main occupation are hunting and farming. Here people do hunting and farming. Most of the people, they do hunting and farming. The main crops are rice, maize, millets, and sugarcane. Which are the main crops grown in Nagaland? Rice, maize, millets, and sugarcane. The tribals like to wear hand woven shawls. Tribals, the folk people of that particular area, they like to wear hand woven shawls, handmade shawls. People are fond of music and dance. In Nagaland, most of the people they are interested in music and dance, and its capital city is Kohima. Next, the fifth northeastern state, or you can say the state in the Seven Sisters, is Manipur. Manipur means a jeweled town. Jeweled means made from jewel. Imphal is the capital city. Capital city of Manipur is Imphal, and the main occupation, the main work of people, farming and weaving. What is weaving? Weaving means craft of lacing fibers together to make clothes. The main festivals are the main festivals celebrated in Manipur. They are Durga Puja, Diwali, Janmashtami. These are the main festivals celebrated in Manipur. The Manipuri dance is famous all over India. You can see this is the Manipur dance. You can see the picture. This is the Manipur dance. Yes, Mayank, what are you doing?
Yes, ma'am.
What are you doing? Don't draw anything on the screen. Yes, students, this is the picture showing the Manipur dance. Yes, the main crops grown are, again, the main crops grown in Manipur are rice, wheat, and maize. Sericulture is also popular. What is the meaning of sericulture? I have explained you in new terms also. Sericulture is the production of silk by rearing silkworms. Getting silk from silkworm is called sericulture. The main language is Manipuri. Most of the people who are living in Manipur, they speak Manipuri language. Next is Mizoram. Mizoram is a land of hills. Most of the hills are located in Mizoram. And most of the people speak Mizo and English languages. Here, most of the people speak Mizo and English language. Next is Aizawl. It is the capital city of Mizoram. The farmers mostly grow rice, maize, potato, ginger, and tobacco. Sericulture is also popular. In Manipur and in Mizoram also, sericulture is very popular, very famous. The Mizo people are very fond of means they are interested in the bamboo dance. This is the bamboo dance using these sticks. This is the picture of bamboo dance. Yes, dear students, that's all about this chapter. Today we have learnt about the lifestyle of people living in northeastern states. We have read about the people living in Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur, and Mizoram. Yes, dear students, now it's your turn. You can ask if there is any query. You can raise your hands. Is there any query? Students, do you want to ask something? Or the chapter is clear to you? Yes, Neerav?
No, ma'am, no question. मैम वो गलती से रेड हैंड हो गया था.
No problem is there.
मैम no question. Yeah.
Ritesh, the chapter is clear
Yes,
to you?
ma'am. Ma'am, तो सुनिए.
Yes. Yes.
Ma'am, Manipur. Ma'am, Manipur.
Who is there? Mayank?
Yes, ma'am.
Mayank?
Ma'am, Pritish.
Yes. Manipur is, yes, Manipur is one of the sister in seven sisters located in northeastern states. The seven sisters are Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Assam, Manipur, Mizoram, and Tripura. Manipur is one of them. It means jeweled town. Jeweled means made from jewels. And its capital city. You have to learn its capital city also. The Imphal is its capital city, and the main occupation. Occupation means the main work done by the people are farming and weaving. Farming is very much clear to you, and weaving means craft of lacing fibers together for making clothes. That means they make clothes, and they do farming also. And the main crops grown in Manipur, they are rice, wheat, and maize. And the main festivals celebrated in Manipur, Durga Puja, Diwali, and Janmashtami. And Manipur dance is very famous all over the world. I have shown you the picture of Manipur dance. And sari culture is also important here, very popular. Sari culture means getting silk from the silkworm. And the main language spoken in Manipur is Manipuri. Okay,
Okay, ma'am. Thank you,
clear?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Anybody else? Anybody else?
Yes, ma'am. No,
No more
question.
question? Yes.
No, no, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
I think I should start back exercise of this chapter. May I
Yes,
start?
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
be
ma'am.
ready for that. First part of our back exercise is true false. The first one is Mount Everest is the highest mountain peak in India. Mount Everest is the highest mountain peak in India. Raise your hands. Is it true or false? Anmol Rana?
False.
Yes. Mount Everest is the highest mountain peak in the world, not in India. So this is false. Second one, the foothills of the Shivalik range. Lavish. Yes, the foothills of the Shivalik range are called Terai. Is it true or false? Yes, Tanisha.
Ma'am, true.
Very good. The foothills of Shivalik ranges are called Terai. Third one, Garba is a special folk dance in the northern mountains. Garba is a special folk dance in the northern mountains. Shaurya, Shaurya,
Yes, ma'am.
third one we are doing. Garba is a special folk dance in the northern mountains. Is it true or false?
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
I'm false. I'm false.
this is
I'm
false. This is false because Garba is a folk dance of Gujarat. This is false statement. Okay?
False.
Yes. Kanishk, Kanishk, mute your mic. Shaurya, mute your mic. Saurabh, Shaurya, mute your mic. Next, fourth one. The Karakoram range is towards the south of Himalayas. The Karakoram range is towards the south of Himalayas. Yes, Pritish?
Ma'am, true.
No,
Bye.
this is towards
Excuse
the
me, ma'am.
north of Himalayas. Yes?
Ma'am, false. Ma'am, false.
Yes, beta, this is false statement. The Karakoram range is towards the north. Okay? Not towards the south. Next, fifth one. The Ganga and Yamuna rivers originate from the glaciers in the Himadri. The Ganga and Yamuna river originate. Originate means begins from the glaciers in the Himadri. Is it true or false? Yashvi,
Yes, ma'am.
is this true or false?
Ma'am, false.
Yes, this is true. True, beta. This is true. Ganga and Yamuna rivers, they begin from the glaciers in the Himadri. This is true statement.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
And the
ma'am.
last one, landslides are common in the Shivalik range. Landslides are
True.
common in the Shivalik range. Yes, this is true. Yes, again
True.
I am going to repeat this part. Yes, I got your answer, Bita.
Ma'am, true.
Who is there?
Ma'am, true. Ma'am, true.
Yes, Bita, I got your answer. Yes, Vanshdeep, I am going to repeat this part. First one, Mount Everest
Okay.
is the highest mountain peak in India. No, this is false. It is the highest peak in the world, not in India. That's why the statement is false. The foothills of Shivalik ranges are called Terai. Yes, this is true. Third one, Garba is a special folk dance in the northern mountains. No, this is false.
No, ma'am.
Fourth one, the Karakoram range is towards the south of Himalayas. No, this is false. Ganga and Yamuna originate from the glaciers in the Himadri. Yes, Ganga and Yamuna rivers, they begin from the glaciers in the Himadri. Yes, this is true. Next, landslides are common in Shivalik range. Whose mic is on? Ganesh?
ऐसा करिए तो संडे को आ जाइयो.
Ganesh? Ganesh?
Yes, ma'am.
Mute your mic. Mute your mic. There is a lot of disturbance. Mayank Rathi. And whose ID is with
ma'am.
the name Anju Rani. Mute your mic. Yes. Now next part. B part. Take the correct answers. First one is, which of the following is not in Purvanchal? Which of the following places is not in Purvanchal? First is Khasi, Naga, Aravali or Lushai. Again, Mayank, your mic is on. Mayank,
Yes, ma'am.
beta, mute your mic. There is a lot of disturbance. Yes, which of the following is not in Purvanchal? Options are Khasi, Naga, Aravali or Lushai. Tanisha, Tanisha, unmute yourself. Yashasvi, Yashvi,
Yes, ma'am.
which of the following is not in Purvanchal? Khasi, Naga, Aravali or Lushai?
Rally. Rally.
Yes, Aravali. The correct pronunciation of this word is Aravali. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Next, second is Akshit Goyat. Second one, the Ganga and Brahmaputra together fall into the Bay of Bengal, Arabian Sea, Sundarbans, or Indian Ocean. The Ganga and Brahmaputra river together fall into the Bay of Bengal, Arabian Sea, Sundarbans, or Indian Ocean. Kanishk, which is the right option? Kanishk,
Bay of Bengal.
yes, Bay of Bengal is the right option. Next one, which religion is mostly followed by the people in Ladakh? Which religion is mostly followed by the people in Ladakh? Options are Hinduism, Taoism, Buddhism, Jainism. Which is the right option? Pritish?
Buddhism.
Buddhism, yes. Buddhism religion is mostly followed by the people in Ladakh. Prince, what are you doing? Be attentive in the class. Don't draw anything on the screen. Yes, next one, fourth one. Darjeeling is a popular hill station of blank. Darjeeling is a popular hill station of Sikkim, West Bengal, Nepal, or Meghalaya. Anmol,
Ma'am, West Bengal.
yes, very good. Darjeeling is a popular hill station of West Bengal. Next one, the folk dance of Sikkim is blank. The folk dance of Sikkim is blank. Ria
True.
Beniwal.
Ma'am, true. Ma'am, true.
Mayank. Yes, Ria.
Yes, ma'am.
Ria Beniwal. Mayank, it's not your turn.
Yes, ma'am.
Akshit, mute your mic. Akshit, mute
Yes,
your mic.
ma'am.
Yes, Ria. The folk dance of Sikkim is Dandiya, Garba, mask dance, or Bhangra. Which is the popular folk dance of Sikkim? Dandiya,
Dandiya.
Garba. No. Dandiya, Garba, mask dance, or Bhangra. Only raise your hands. No one will say, "मैं बताऊं, मैं आए." No one will shout. Only raise your hands. Yes, Ishika.
Yes, ma'am.
Which is the folk dance of Sikkim? Options are Dandiya, mask dance, Garba, or Bhangra.
Ma'am, Garba.
No. Yashvi.
मैं बताऊं
Mask dance. Mask dance is the folk dance of Sikkim. Next,
Yes.
which place has the heaviest rainfall in the world? Which place has the heaviest rainfall in the world? Options are Cherrapunji, Mawzinram, Imphal, or Shillong? Which is the right option? Yes. No,
Ma'am,
Yashvi. No, Yashvi. No.
मैम बात बताओ.
Vanshdeep.
मैम इम्पाल.
No.
मैम चीरापुंजी.
Yes. Saksham.
मैम चीरापुंजी.
Repeat your. No. Mawzinram, near Cherrapunji, has the highest rainfall in the world. Okay. Again, I am repeating the same part. First one, which of the following is not in Purvanchal? Aravali. Aravali is the right option. Second one, the Ganga and Brahmaputra together fall into the Bay of Bengal, Arabian Sea, Sundarbans, or Indian Ocean. Bay of Bengal is the right option. Next, which religion is mostly followed by the people in Ladakh? Buddhism. Next, Darjeeling is a popular hill station of West Bengal. Fifth one, the folk dance of Sikkim is mask dance. And the last one, which place has the heaviest rainfall in the world? Mawzinram. Okay. Next part is fill in the blanks. Mount Godwin Austen. Mayank. First one is Mount
Yes, ma'am.
Godwin Austen is the. Beta, why are you drawing on the screen? Why are you drawing lines on? Mayank,
Yes, ma'am.
why are you drawing on the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
I have instructed you at least 3 to 4 times. Mute your mic. Mute your mic, Mayank. Prakshal, your mic is also on. Prakshal, your mic is also on. Yes. First is Mount Godwin Austen is in the blank range.
Ma'am, Neera Vital. Ma'am, may I tell?
Yashvi. No, Nirav.
Yes, ma'am.
Yashvi.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell,
Excuse me, ma'am.
tell me the answer of first fill up.
Ma'am, answer क्या था?
Mount Godwin Austen. Mount Godwin Austen is in the blank range.
मैम मुझे पता है.
Yes, Vanshdeep.
Ma'am, K2 about 8,061 meters high.
No, this is not the correct answer.
Ma'am, Black Range.
Tanisha.
Yes, ma'am.
Mount Godwin Austen is in the blank range.
Ma'am, Karakoram.
Very good. This is in the Karakoram range. Next is blank is the most celebrated festival in Kullu. Blank is the most celebrated festival in Kullu. Pritish.
Ma'am, Tisara.
Very good. Third one, the Valley of Kashmir is known as the blank on earth. The Valley of Kashmir is known as the blank on earth. Yes, Prince.
Yes.
Prince.
Yes, ma'am.
The valley of Kashmir is known as the blank on earth. Do you know the answer? Nirav,
Ma'am, heaven. Ma'am, heaven.
heaven. The exact word is paradise. I have used this word heaven while explaining the chapter, but you have to write here paradise on earth. Okay. Heaven is the synonym of paradise.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Next is the blank dance is most popular in Mizoram. The blank dance is most popular in Mizoram. Anmol Rana,
Ma'am, bamboo dance.
bamboo dance. Very good. Next, the state of blank is well known for orchids. The state of blank is well known for orchids. Saksham, the state of blank is well known for orchids. Which state is well known for orchids? Kanishk, Kanishk,
Yes, ma'am.
which state is well known for orchids?
बोलो आई डोंट नो, पता नहीं तेरे को, फिर बताओ ना, मुझे नहीं पता, ऐसे बोलो। मैं बोलूं क्या अब?
Do you know the answer, Kanishk?
मैम नहीं
Yes
आता
or
इसको।
no?
नो बोलो
Okay,
मैम को।
Yashvi. Okay, then
Yes,
listen carefully. Yes, Yashvi.
Yes, ma'am.
The state of blank is well known for orchids. Which state is well known for orchids?
Arunachal Pradesh.
No.
Anu.
Tanisha,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me the answer.